Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. 5 of the best enterprise API test automation tools available to developers and testers include 1. ZAPTEST Enterprise Edition. The full version of ZAPTEST, designed to handle any and all API testing challenges. Designed to be scalable for businesses large and small, making it the perfect tool for API testing and specific functions, such as hyperautomation. 2. Peggy. Offers a free trial before extending to one of the paid packages. Focuses on larger amounts of data, but has a lot of packages which can be complicated. 3. Postman. A relatively basic API testing tool, Postman starts as a free tool but has some additional features hidden behind a paywall, which charges per user. 4. Tricentis. Designed for helping organizations that use the Agile cycle, Tricentis provides fast results at the expense of having a flexible pricing model depending on the needs of the developer and API tester. 5. Callan. An automation tool that works with both SOAP and REST requests. Accessible for beginners at the cost of lacking some of the more advanced features outside the paid-for version. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.